Welcome to Exploring Uncharted Scenarios. Ever wondered what would happen if Earth's oxygen doubled? Well, get ready for some mind-blowing revelations. First, our atmosphere would experience a dramatic increase in oxygen. This surplus gas would result in chemical reactions never witnessed before. Plants would be overjoyed. With more oxygen available, photosynthesis would go into overdrive. Forests would grow at an unprecedented rate, covering vast areas of land. The new, abundant vegetation would attract a multitude of animals. Ecosystems would flourish, with habitats teeming with life like never before. But the consequences don't stop there. Human beings would also be affected. Our bodies would absorb the excess oxygen, boosting physical capabilities. Imagine athletes surpassing every world record, jumping higher, running faster, and achieving superhuman performances thanks to the increased oxygen intake. However, not everything would be unicorns and rainbows. The atmosphere would become highly unstable. The surplus oxygen would lead to extreme fire hazards and an increased risk of spontaneous combustion. Uncontrolled fires would spread rapidly, engulfing everything in their path. Safety precautions would need to be taken to prevent catastrophic consequences. We humans could also face unexpected risks. As oxygen levels rise, our bodies could suffer from oxygen toxicity. This condition can damage the central nervous system, leading to seizures and even death. Using specialized equipment, people would have to regulate their oxygen intake carefully, protecting themselves from overwhelming levels. So, while doubling Earth's oxygen may seem tempting, it's clear that the consequences would be both awe-inspiring and challenging. Nature would flourish. Athletes would become superhuman. But dangers like uncontrolled fires and oxygen toxicity would also arise. Thanks for watching Exploring Uncharted Scenarios. Please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more great content.